Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla and I am here to teach you this complete program of Python with Django framework and PostgreSQL server with the help of web application development. So the course which is the latest versions are applied and I'm trying to teaching you. Myself Shekhar Metla and I'm the past 2 decades in the industry of software development, analytics and database and various fields related to app enterprise application developments. By putting all these experience efforts, what real world is required, we are trying to making real world examples. Getting started for this course. Introduction. Welcome here to use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down video to complete the program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to use practical exercises for each pinpoint and step-by-step process. Then only you have to make a move to the next section. How to get help. Check your knowledge using documents. Write down all the points what the video lecture is given for shortcuts and commands and running, configuration of files and mapping the things and everything. And for instance quick help, Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques to apply in your capability to build your problem solving skills. Submit your question on asking QA forum, detail what you have tried with a screenshot, just what you practiced. How to approach the course. The best way to approach the course is to review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with extra notebook information for practice. Review certain information by reading examples of parts video sessions step by step. And reaching and practicing and writing code in your practical local development environment and see the output. Then you should try to make a move to next step. Exercise and solution. You will be assigned a simple exercise here to solve. Yes, ensure to take the exercise and solve it. And anyhow, you will be provided a simple solution for this exercise, what you have assigned. So cross-check with this exercise solution what we have provided and you solved it. Ensure that how you reaching your learning experience. Thanking you.